how to reheat pasta. You cook a giant pot of pasta, everyone devours it, and there is a mountain left over. But fear not, pasta lovers. If it is, it's your host, Hannah, here from blogginggoodfood.com. Today I reveal two methods to reheat pasta without it turning into a mushy, flavorless mess. First up, the microwave method. For those times you are short on time and patience, this might sound like a recipe for disaster, but trust me, it's all about a few key tricks. Step 1. Separate the strands. Break apart your leftover pasta to prevent clumps. Even reheating starts with separating the strands. Step 2. Splash of moisture. Add a few tablespoons of water or some of your leftover sauce to pasta. This will prevent dryness and keep things streaming. Step number 3. Cover and cook. Find a microwave-safe dish with a lid. Plastic wrap works through it a pitch. Cover it loosely to trap the steam and heat for 1 to 2 minutes, depending on your microwave. Step 4. Stir and repeat. Give it a good stir check for hot spots and microwave for another 30 seconds. Burst until everything's heated through. See, fluffy, flavorful, and ready to enjoy in just minutes. Remember, this method works best for plain pasta or dishes with light sauces. Now, if you have a few extra minutes and want to take things up a notch, the pan method is your friend. This adds a whole new layer of flavor and texture. Step number 1. Heat it up. Grab a pan or skillet and get it nice and hot over medium heat. A drizzle of olive oil is always welcome. Step number 2. Toss and coat. Add your leftover pasta and give it a good toss to coat it with the oil. Let it cook for a minute or two, stirring occasionally to get some nice browning on the edges. Step number 3. Sauce it up. If you have leftover sauce, add it now and let it simmer with the pasta for a couple of minutes. This will infuse the pasta with deliciousness. Step number 4. Season to perfection. Don't forget a sprinkle of salt, pepper, or any other herbs you like. Freshly grated Parmesan is always a bonus. Oh my, that pan-fried goodness! This method is perfect for heavier sauces, cheesy casseroles, or when you want a bit of extra texture and flavor. There you have two foolproof methods for reheating pasta like a pro. Remember, leftover don't have to be boring. With a little know-how, you can turn them into delicious second meals. Don't forget to subscribe to blogginggoodfood.com for more awesome recipes and kitchen hacks.